Hey, so if you're looking for the best credit card to build your credit, then you're definitely in the right place. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. My name is Rickita. I talk about credit cards, I talk about loans, and the biggest thing is I want to teach you all how to pre-qualify for credit cards without getting a lot of inquiries. So definitely like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you know anybody that may be interested in building their credit, maybe send them this video because they probably need to profit this credit card. Now, if I think that this credit card is similar to other videos, I'm going to put an arrow or I'm going to have a pop-up that says similar card number 1, similar card number 2, 3, 4. That way you can check out other credit cards that's similar to this credit card, because sometimes some of the credit cards are the same. So you'll always see something that pop-ups that says that this is actually a similar card. With this credit card, they actually can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So if you all go to their website, you'll see that they have an option where they say you can have a mail-in offer, or they may say just apply for it. So definitely go to their website and check them out. Now they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Now let me say what a pre-qualification without a hard inquiry is. That means that when they first look at your credit, they're going to do a soft pull. They're going to look at your credit report, but it's not going to be like all the information there. So they're going to do a soft pull to your credit. It's kind of like just verifying you, checking a little details, and then they're going to say whether or not they can approve you, yes or no. That's what a pre-qualification is. If you guys see that they can approve you, then if you take that offer, then it's not you've already been pre-qualified. Now you're actually taking that offer, you're going to get a hard inquiry. So they can actually pre-qualify you, tell you yes or no without giving you that hard inquiry. Now they are going to look into your bank account too for you guys to get approved for this credit card, but definitely just, I always tell people it's similar to another card, like the Tomo credit card. It's similar to them where they're going to look into your bank account. Some people say that you should have at least $1,000 in your account, but some people swear that you didn't need to have it. So, but they're going to look at your bank account, make sure you don't have, if you have like overdraft fees and things like that, you're going to have a hard time getting approved for a card like this, because they are going to check your banking history. They want to make sure you're going to even have the money to even send to them, basically. So make sure you all pre-qualify. If they can give it to you, then perfect, go ahead and accept the offer, but understand you're going to get a hard inquiry at that time. So the link for the Petal credit card is always in my description, always in my comments, and I'm always going to have another link that goes directly to my review that I have for them. That way you can automatically, you don't even have to watch the videos, you can automatically see which credit cards you can pre-qualify for. It's a downloadable sheet there where you can have all the information on that credit card, so you can download that, and I always give them away for free. So just go ahead and download it. That way you can have a few credit cards that you want to compare, and then when you have it downloaded, you can figure out which credit card you like, because you can look at them that way, and you can always have the sheet there with you. So if you want to go back and apply for the other similar ones because you got that credit card, then you can go ahead and apply for the other similar credit card. This credit card can prove you all the way from $300 to $5,000. Now this is the Petal 1 card, so it's two different cards, the Petal 1 and the Petal 2. So with the Petal 2 card, that can go to $10,000. So definitely check out my other review on the Petal 2 card if that's something that you're interested in. But with the Petal 1, it can go to $5,000, and it's really good for those people that's trying to build their credit. I did see, you know, I'm looking at other people reviews, and I was seeing that some people were saying that they were getting lower limits with this card, but then I did see some people that said, hey, I got $2,500, I got $3,600, which is higher than the 500s, you know, 600s that I've been seeing when I look through some other reviews. So I've seen people at the lower amounts, and I've seen people at the higher amounts. But then again, too, that can be tied to your bank account. Remember, you want to make sure you have money in your bank account and you have a lot of money flowing through there, so that they can see, oh, you have this amount coming through. I would feel comfortable lending you, you know, or giving you a credit card for this amount. So make sure you always have some money flowing in there, because it'll help you a lot when getting approved for these credit cards. So let me know if you all have pre-qualified for this credit card or any other credit cards. I know it's a lot of different credit cards out there. Let me know if you pre-qualify for a credit card and which one, and always put that in the comments, because a lot of people, you come to the comments and it's like a community. It's a lot of people trying to do the same thing you're doing. So you ask questions, they'll answer you, and you see other questions, you'll answer them. So when they see that somebody got approved, see, even for the Petal 1, if you get approved for the Petal 1, come back and let us know, because sometimes this video can be old and it can get outdated, but when you come in and you add comments, hey, I got approved, and say if this video is 3 years old, you come in, you know, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, then we know what they're doing at that time. So definitely come back and let us know exactly how much you got approved for, and give us other specs, other information about where you're at, like what's your credit score, who did they pull. Just let us know about that. Now, I already know that they're going to pull Experian because I've been saying it everywhere that they pull Experian, but come back, let us know if it's anything different. So it's going to be a Experian pre-qualification and pull. Now, when you are getting pre-qualified for these credit cards, don't forget you can lock and unlock your credit using an app. I showed you all how to do that with Discover before. I mean, not with Discover. I showed you how to do that with Experian before. So you can lock it and unlock it so that they can pre-qualify you. So definitely remember that step, because you don't want to have everything locked up and frozen, because they're not going to be able to do what they need to do to be able to look to see if they can pre-qualify you. Another thing I really love about this credit card is that it doesn't have an annual fee. Y'all know I really don't want y'all to have credit cards with annual fees. Like if you can avoid that, please avoid that. Like it's not like you're having an annual fee and, you know, you get certain things, you get certain benefits with that credit card where it outweighs it. Like if you was a big traveler and you were to have a annual fee with them, it's so much that you all are going to get where you would have to pay that anyway. So say if you were to pay $100 in annual fees, you would have got so many benefits where it's like $300 worth of benefits, where it's like, why wouldn't I pay the $100, you know, for the annual fee? But with a lot of these credit cards, you're not going to see that. You're going to see credit cards where you're not really getting that much. They'll give you a $500 limit and they'll charge you $100 annual fee. Like, it's some credit cards that's like that, and this credit card don't charge an annual fee at all, so it's good in my book. Like, that's good. And for those people that like to travel, I know I traveled a few times out the country, and when you're traveling out the country and you decide that you want to use your card, you're going to get a transaction fee a lot of times. But this credit card doesn't have a foreign transaction fee, so that is really good for you all that like to travel. You can use this credit card out the country without thinking about those extra fees that you would have had to pay. If you're having a hard time getting approved for these credit cards, look into joining my exclusive membership. My exclusive membership, I have dispute letters there, so you guys can start working to remove the negative accounts on your credit reports, because a lot of times it's the negative accounts that's on your credit reports that's stopping you from getting approved. So you definitely could check out that. And inside my exclusive membership too, I also have things like utilization trackers. I teach you all how to track and look at your utilization, and you have all of that stuff for free. Money trackers, things like that, so that you guys can get on the right track, get your credit repair, and you can have a greater chance of getting approved for more credit cards. When you want to boost your credit score in general, these are my rules. I just want to tell you my rules. Make sure you have at least 4 credit cards, like 4 credit cards. You want them to report to the credit bureaus. That's what's going to make your credit score go up. And you want to keep your balance on your credit cards below that 5%. So I always tell people, don't spend more than 5% on your credit cards, because when you do that, your credit score is going to go down. So if you look on Credit Karma and they said that your utilization is at like a 90%, 95%, oh my gosh, that means that your credit score is way lower than what it should be. All you have to do is just pay down those credit cards, and you're going to see your credit score just shoot up. It should. But sometimes too, you'll see other people where they pay a lot of debt, their credit score, it goes up, but it don't go up like some people where you'll see that it went up 100 and something points just from paying out a credit card over a month span. So definitely pay down some of your credit cards. See if that helps you, because like I said too, utilization is very important. Make sure you also paying your bills on time. No late payments can really hurt you. Like, just make sure you're paying your bills on time. You'll have a greater chance of getting approved for this credit card and other credit cards, because you're not going to have a late payment reported. Make sure you avoid the hard inquiries, because those hard inquiries, yeah, they're not going to hurt your credit that bad, but some companies don't even want you to get a credit card if you have so many hard inquiries. They won't even let you get their credit card at all. Check out these other videos here and let me know if these credit cards are actually good credit cards. Let me know if you liking these credit cards. Also, come back and let us know if you get approved for these credit cards. But these credit cards right here that's next to me is actually a credit card list. You can actually go down all of the credit cards and look and see which one you want, and hopefully you get approved for them. And I'll see you guys in the next video.